Now to new developments in Texas. RSV cases are on the rise with flu season fast approaching. Some hospitals report that they are filling up. ABC's Alex Prescia is here with now more details.
It was an emotional roller coaster. Um, I didn't know if my baby was going to be okay.
Texas health officials now sounding the alarm as cases of RSV are overwhelming emergency rooms.
When we arrived at the Texas Children's emergency room, it was overflowing.
Families like the Hughes, whose son Connor was diagnosed with RSV.
So that's a patient checking in about every 3 minutes.
In Fort Worth, Texas, officials at Cook County Children's say they've treated 240 RSV cases over the last week alone. Tiffany and Trice Adams had their preemies diagnosed with RSV a week apart and had to have them treated at different hospitals at first because of capacity issues.
I felt helpless the whole time. We were just kind of at the mercy of the hospitals. And, we were an hour apart.
Experts say that respiratory illnesses like RSV have already taken hold in southern states and will likely spread north. A new shot to protect against RSV was approved earlier this year, but supply has been limited. A CDC health advisory last month recommended clinicians administer to the most vulnerable.
This is concerning because while we're seeing the rise in RSV, we're limiting the ability for those kids that are vulnerable to RSV to get the protection they need.
That concern's only heightened as doctors know that the so-called triple-demic season of RSV, COVID-19, and the flu is fast approaching.
Unfortunately, all pediatric hospitals are bracing for impact. We are still very early on in the winter season.